Okay, we're back over here at the mill. So we need a 120 drill, 120 thou, which is this one right here, is a number 31 drill, 120 thousands. That should give us 5 thou press, but it always drills a little over, so a little extra. Okay, so I'm going to peen these a little bit. Take a center punch. So we got our black mark over here. So we don't want to hit it there, we'll hit it somewhere over here. Now you don't want to put the thing right where the thin spot is either because it'll break out. So put it somewhere where there's metal. So I'm just going to guess in the middle. Like right there is a good spot. And we'll drill right through that. Let's go ahead and mark all of these. Doesn't have to be exact, just has to be a hole. Okay, 4 in there now. Okay, so now we take our drill bit and go up here. And drill. Small drills go fast, so 1,000 RPM is good. Okay, so we want to go down a little bit over 1/4 inch. So 17/64 drill. This one is 265 thou, 15 thou over. It's actually 16 over, but close enough. So we'll use that as our gauge for height. That's the same thickness we want to go down in the hole. To make the hole, I should say. Alright, so we'll get this over here. So I got cover. So the cover doesn't have to be held 100% flat. But close is good. So it doesn't really matter if you go at an angle, doesn't hurt anything, but whatever. So I'm going to jack it up to about the thickness of my fingers. So I'll just grab about that much worth of parallels here. Whatever the thickness of my fingers are. Take one of those off. Put that underneath the cover here. And you find something looks about right. That looks about too high to me. That looks better. Okay, so that gives us about a flat surface to work from. So we go down about this far. Take our stop up here. There's a drill. And that's about how deep it'll be. And we got a point on the drills a little bit more, so we'll be close. These have a little bit of point to them also, so they will go in a little bit deeper than 100% in. Get to where you can see the taper on that. So that should be close enough, I would think. So as long as it's below the surface, it doesn't matter. Okay, now we got a drill on there. There's your hole right there. So we're in there hopefully deep enough, so we'll find out. So we just take it and blow it off. There's the hole looks like after you blow on it. So that's that one right there. So we'll go back over here and see about pinning it in there. You gotta make sure you put those where you don't lose them. They might bounce off the table, so you gotta be careful. So you just lay those into the hole a little bit right there. Lightly pin it in. Get it kind of straight. It's flush. You can also use a larger one to make it flush. So I take a little small one here and I beat it down. Get it below the surface. Okay, so there it's slightly below the surface there. I don't know if you can see it. To keep it from coming out, I like to pin it. So I take my bigger one. I just pin the hole a little bit. So you put a pin mark on both sides right there. It squishes the hole tight over the top of the pin so it won't fall out. And there you go. And we're going to have to grind the bushing right here on the side, right where the cam goes. So we'll do that with the die grinder back real quick. Knocked off that high spot. So there you go. So the last thing I'm going to do is put the cam back in here and kind of shove it in a little bit, because where you put the pin in, it pulled it out. We want to try to shove it back in, basically burnish it back in like we want it. So we'll do that too in a few minutes. Okay, so that's how you do those. Now we're just going to go ahead and do the rest of these same way. Put it back over there, roughly in about a flat spot. So I'm going to move it to a different position. Let's see, this one's the same height as that one, or at least they should be close. So we take our drill bit here, go back up here and check it. So we're a little bit tight, so we'll just go down a little few thou. Well, actually I had to go up a few thou, wrong direction. Still tight. And go a little bit more. Okay, now it's loose up here. A little bit too loose. Okay, so we need to go down just a little bit, drop off about 10. And that feels about right, a little bit loose, but it's fine. Okay, that's a good spot. I can always back it up another 10 if I want. One advantage of having a milling machine, we can play pretty easy on heights. There we go, there's another one down. Okay, so there's that one right there. Now I'll go ahead and do the other ones. These ones are a lot taller than those other ones. Okay, right there. Set our depth stop. And it needs to go a little bit less than that. Too tight. And kind of in between. So we'll go back in between. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing again, drill it. Alright, there's another one. This one's going to be lower than the last one, so these keep changing on us a little bit. getting worse, not better. Maybe they're going the wrong direction. There we go. Got a nice fit up in there. So I'm just juggling over here with the handle down here, going the table up and down. So going back and forth between your stops, find the sweet spot. Alright, here we go. Okay, back over here. Do the same thing. I'm going to put the pins in here. So you go down maybe halfway max in the bushing. Anywhere from third to half works all right. And just pin it. When I pin it, I don't go flat. I put a slight angle to it so it shoves the metal into the hole a little bit. Take a nice smooth face hammer so it works pretty good for marring up the surface. Good. Okay. So you can see how it pins over the top of the surface a little bit. Did that one, and this one. So they're all done. So this is the last one here. And then we pin it over again. So you can see how deep they are in there when you pin it. Maybe, I'm not sure. The camera angle, you can kind of see it. Okay, so the last thing I want to do with these is put the cam in there and swedge them back out slightly. Alright, I'm going to go back over here. I'll do that real quick over here. Back and forth. How do we do this job? Okay, let's grab one of these. Well, before this went in the hole, remember? This time it's not. Okay, so you can see the high spot where we swedged it right there. So that's what we're doing, we're pinning it back over where it needs to be. Okay, that'll be enough. So now you see the mark it leaves, where it's all swedged in there nice now. So I did all the other ones also. Too far. We got tight. Oh yeah, there it goes. So you can see how you're swedging it in there. So you don't have to do this part, but I like to. That's sharp edges there. Oh, that thing is not coming out now. Somebody put it in too far that time. Alright, I'll have to get that out. That's not going to come out of my hand this time. Now, this will not go in before, so.
Gets on my nerves, bang my Dana on the curb.
There you go. Alright, interruptions. I'm going to get these out of here. I'll be back.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, I got interrupted for a couple more hours tonight. Alright, so these are all ready to be reamed out right now. So the problem is I have right now is one of these cams is undersized, about 1.5 thou. And the only reamer I got is a fixed diameter reamer. It's not an adjustable. So when I did, I went ahead and ordered up an adjustable carbide tip one, so I get a real nice precision fit on the one that's real loose. The other two I think I can ream through with this reamer without a problem. So I'm not sure if I'm going to continue this or wait a little bit longer. And then on the number 2 cam here, I also bought an adjustable one of these. They had a good deal on it, so I bought it. So this is the one for doing the number 2, which is a custom-made reamer I made years ago. So this is 1 1/8 inch carbide tip, but not adjustable. So I ordered up an adjustable one, and I'll have to make one like this. They come a lot bigger than this, and they're about this long. So a lot of cutting down to make them this size. So I haven't measured the number 2 cam yet to see what size shaft is on that. So anyway, I'm going to play with this tomorrow a little bit, see what I want to do. If the loose cam feels good after I ream the hole out, then I'll probably just continue this job and ream them all out and get it going tomorrow. If not, I'll wait a week or so until the other one comes in. So we'll see how that works tomorrow. For tonight, I'm done with this one. So we're all ready to do the reaming, and then once I get done with this, I can make sure all the cam and stuff fit in here, and then I can go ahead and work on get the flowers together, get this more together. So we have to do some more fitting. Got to do some honing on the case bearing too. So all this mock-up stuff has to be done first. Or in this case, we're not mocking up, we're actually fitting parts. But anyway, it's part of the rebuilding process. All right, that's it for tonight on this one.